Hello everyone, this is Parvez Roshan and welcome to DGA BKK 2020. Today my vlog will be in English. I am going to tell you when Pentecostal Foreign Missions of Norway PYM separated from the FGA Executive Board, which will be shocking for FGA, PGA, Church of Pakistan and all other churches. Especially, I urge the FGA churches to wake up and separate Liaquat M. Kaisar, spokesperson, and Chairman Sadiq M. Saber from the FGA as soon as possible, so that the church can grow spiritually and economically. And what I am about to read in this letter today is for Christians living in Pakistan and outside Pakistan. You can also verify this letter if you wish. PYM, the Pentecostal Foreign Missions of Norway. Oslo, Norway, 1st February 2017. To the Executive Board of FGA, cancellation of collaboration between PYM and the Executive Board of FGA. Together with PMU and the Swedish Pentecostal churches, PYM has been involved in finding a solution of the matters of the girls' hostel at Sultanabad. Together, we have met with the Executive Board of FGA in Lahore in November 2015, and with the chairman and spokesman of FGA in Stockholm in September 2016. We have had several correspondence and hope for a common solution on how to handle the serious excuses that has been raised at the girls' hostel. We understand that FGA do not believe that the girls in the hostel has been sexually abused, and the FGA Executive Board are not willing to meet the conditions PYM has set out in order to continue its working relations. As a consequences of this matter, the PYM board in this meeting of November 25th and 26th November made following decision. PYM has decided to terminate the collaboration with Executive Board of FGA from January the 1st, 2017, and hereby express distrust in the way the Executive Board of FGA has handled the Sultanabad case. This letter is to confirm that this decision now will be effectuated with effective from 1st January 2017. PYM will stop the financial support and through the FGA office in Lahore. We will inform partners engaged in Missions 1 Pakistan on this decision. We are willing to keep a dialogue with FGA and hope that the Executive Board will reconsider their position in these matters. On behalf of the PYM board, chairman and general secretary. So I request you, please don't forget my channel DGA BKK 2020. Subscribe, like, share and leave your comments. Thank you very much.